Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can update your YouTube TV payment method. So if you want to update the payment method, all you have to do is you can simply go to the top right corner and go to settings. In the settings, on your left side, you can go to the billing method, billing section. In the billing section, as you can see that it is showing me my current YouTube TV billing section. I can simply go to update. Here I can go to the payment method, and here I can add another payment method or edit this one or remove this one. So from here on I can change my payment methods for my YouTube TV. So I hope this was helpful and this solved your problem. Thank you so much for watching.